Certainly sounds like something in there.
Yeah. Let's hope it's not a piece of lead.
Certainly not wrong about it being definite.
Mm.
Two or one? One. Let's try two. Oops.
Down balance. Much better, isn't it?
So now we're going to pinpoint him. So it's not deep. Pretty much right here. Nice big tag. Actually, lock that ground balance. Alright, it's just in there. Twice.
Could be out.
You reckon I can get this first scoop?
No, you're dreaming.
I'll give it a shot. Pretty sure I will. Yep.
You arsey prick. Yeah, you can hear it in the scoop. She's screaming now.
Definitely. I see yellow.
Sure is. Look at that. River reader.
Hang on, just make sure that's it.
Yeah. Well done, Dunc. The 8,000 seconds piece. What do you say, mate?
Hang on. Fucking Eureka. It does find gold.